You have this phrase, go worse is better, do things badly on purpose. That was more of a theme in the sort of earlier web 2. Do you think that still applies today?
Yeah, I think, so yeah, worse is better is my way of saying release and iterate, like, oh, do something and then use data from the world to make it better. Don't just get data from your own head, right? So, it's this rooted in this idea that like data is good, right? You can't invent all the data that you need to build a product. You get it from users. But I find that you have to say it in a sexier way to say worse is better, which is not just saying get data from the world. It's saying what you are doing right now, what you think you are doing, right, doesn't matter. Okay, because the data you could get from releasing it now, whatever, the improvement you're making right now doesn't matter. The data you could get from releasing this right now is more valuable than the work you are doing. So just stop it, release the worst thing and get get the data, you're the dumbest you'll ever be right now kind of thing. So why don't you wait to work on this a little bit until you are smarter? I think that is very true. I think it is it's not about like doing things that are bad. It's having like a humility about one's ability to design things using only their brain versus external inputs. You need the external inputs. So I think it's very, very true. I think you have to be very smart about how you do it. You don't want to just do worse and never come back around and iterate and improve it. But I think all the sayings that I read, if you're not embarrassed by the first version of your product, you launch too late. Like all that stuff that I read and didn't follow when I was young, I all agree with it now and still have trouble following it. So yeah, I think worse is definitely better.